That feeling when you have a good hair day. Yes, yes. So, this is my third attempt to make this video. I have tried, obviously, 2 other times. The first time, I did the video and I sat down to edit it, and then I was like, oh, that was super awkward. Look, this one here is like, you're not having a good hair day. Look at me. And it was like, oh my gosh, that is super awkward. Let's retry that. So I sat down and I reshot and I was feeling really good about it. And then I went to go edit it and the video just disappeared. It was like, nah, not your best work. Try again. So here we go. 3rd time's the charm. And we're going to start this. So I have decided to, well, it's something I've been playing around with, the idea that hair is going to bother me. Haha, I have bested you, hair. The hair is like, haha, you have not. There we go. I have been playing around with the idea of doing a web series to kind of just help some of my peeps out that feel a little overwhelmed by the idea of, you know, applying their makeup. I am by no means a professional in any other way other than I'm a professional YouTube watcher of many, many tutorials. That's where most of my knowledge has come from, and or that's where I have learned the lessons. And then I've taken the things that I've watched and the things that I've liked, and I have played around with them on my own face or on other people's faces until I figured out what did and didn't work. So like I said, I by no means am a professional. If you don't like what I do or how I am showing you to do something, okay, that's fine. So yeah, so I figured probably like the best thing to do would be to start from like the very beginning of makeup, and that is by learning how to take care of your skin and how to prep your skin for makeup, because a lot of times how your day is going to go and how your makeup's going to wear is really going to depend on whether you have put the time in to make sure that your makeup is actually going to set on your face properly. And that's knowing what kind of skin type you have, what kind of, you know, issues you want to like, you know, address in your skin, and going from there. It's not that hard. It sounds really scary, but it won't be. So that'll probably be one of our first videos. And after that, I figured we would go through like the whole process of prepping your skin, putting down your foundation, working with your eyes, making sure that you are using the right kind of tools, which they don't have to be super expensive. And we'll go over that, but using the right kind of tools and when to use them and using them in the right way, because you can do a lot of great makeup looks very easily if you just know how to work your tool. So going through all of that, I figured would be a really good start to all of this, and then we can kind of work up to doing some more complex things and some crazier eye looks if you guys are interested. But something that I feel is kind of like really important, I'm playing with the lens cap because I'm proud. Something that I feel is really important is that you are thinking about why you're wearing makeup. If it's to cover up an insecurity, that insecurity is still going to be there whether you have a face full of perfectly applied makeup or not. Makeup isn't there to make you beautiful. You're beautiful on your own. God made you beautiful just the way you are. But makeup is a really fun tool to help highlight the things that you find beautiful about yourself. Like for instance, I really like my eyes. So therefore I tend to gravitate towards, you know, eye makeup because I enjoy it. I think my eyes are pretty and I like to make them look pretty. But I also understand that my eyes are pretty with or without makeup on them, and that the presence of makeup doesn't make them any prettier. You know, that beauty is there whether there's paint on it or not. So you need to be mindful of the fact that if you're insecure and you feel bad about yourself without makeup, the makeup's not going to make you feel better. However, the makeup can help you see what other people see in you, which is a beautiful person. So hopefully we will have a lot of fun, and it's going to be a great time, and hopefully we all learn some stuff. And that is the first start of this video, and I'm hoping to upload videos every Monday, so that gives me like a week to figure out what to film it, to edit it, to post it, and hopefully get some feedback on what you guys would like to see the next week, or if there's any issues with what I had posted or whatever. That way we can kind of work out some of the kinks. So thank you for coming along on this journey with me. I'm so excited and I can't wait to see where it leads us. All right, I'll see you next week.